हाय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एक कस्टमाइजेशन के बारे में। यूजिंग दिस मॉड्यूल, मेन यूजर कैन ब्लॉक ए स्पेसिफिक date of entry. That means if you log in with an admin user, there is a one option you will get for assigning the date. Once you assign the date, sub user can't able to pass any entry in that date. I will show you how it's work. For that, you need to load one TCP. So I have already the TCP. I'm going to load the TCP in this Tally. So load this TCP. We can download this TCP from our online portal. So I'm going to load this TCP. Go to help, TDL and add-on, manage local TDL, select yes, then paste the TCP location, save it. The TCP was loaded. After that, you need to log in with your main admin user. So this is the admin user in this Tally. Then go to help, TDL and add-on, then add-on feature. So there is one additional feature you will get, enable day block module. Make it yes. So this module was enabled. Then come to gateway of Tally. Here you can see there is an option set day block. So open this option. So there is one field you will get. You can type date here. So once you type the date, so some user can't able to pass any entry in that date. I will show you. Putting the 1 January 24, then 1 February 24. These 2 days I put here. So that means I am going to block all the entries in 1st January and 1st February 24. Then after that, save it. So this is the main admin user. Again, I am going to log out from this user. So here you can see there is a sub user. So and just log out this company. So open it in user level, user, user, open. So again, I am going to voucher. So I'm selecting the date, 1st January 24. Then select the company and all other details. Finally, when you are saving this entry, that time this message will appear. Current date is not allowed for billing. That means this date main admin is already blocked. That's why sub user can't able to pass any. The same way you can put the next day. That means 2nd January. 2nd January is allowed for this user. That means there is a no block in 2nd January. So we can pass entry in 2nd January. So here you can see it was saved. The next date, which one we blocked is the 1st February. So we can try the 1st February also. Go to date, 1st February, BC company, and select sample item. What? So when you are saving this entry, that is also not allowed because 1st February also we blocked in the main admin user. In this way, admin can block specific dates of data entry to the sub users. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more free videos.